Introducing the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 5G and Galaxy Note 20 Ultra 5G. Take power to the next level with cutting-edge technology and experience fast processor speeds to help transform your gaming, binging, and multitasking experience. And get smooth motion, fluid scrolling, and low blue light emissions on the 6.9-inch Infinity O display with 120 Hz refresh rate. The refined S Pen provides more responsive writing with its incredible pen-to-paper feel. And convert your notes and ideas into a Microsoft Word document, PowerPoint, and more. And easily move and reorganize your documents with the more intelligent Samsung Notes. Shoot like a pro with 8K video and grab a high-definition still image from your favorite shot. Capture beautifully detailed images with the high-resolution camera. And use Space Zoom to capture images with incredible detail and clarity. Plus, the large intelligent battery provides adaptive power for optimized battery life. The Samsung Galaxy Note 20 5G and Galaxy Note 20 Ultra 5G.